Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite. And to do this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Right here, try to find Microsoft Edge. After installation process is complete, you should be able to launch this app. Right here we can sign in to turn on synchronization. I'm gonna skip it. You can accept or disagree with the data sharing preference and click on confirm. Lastly, set Microsoft Edge as a default browser. And from here you should be able to start browsing. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.